friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about this Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to lock app on Poco phone device. Friends, you want to lock any app on your Poco phone device. Example, friends, you want to lock your phone setting app, you want to lock as your photos app, you want to lock your Google app, you want to lock your YouTube app. So how to lock apps on Poco phone device, in this video we will talk about. So before starting video, and first of all go and subscribe the channel, click that bell icon, open your Poco phone setting friends. After on Poco phone setting friends, click on Poco phone app setting, and friends click on app lock, and friends you can see this type interface. So I first guys click on turn on, and guys select your password, pin, pattern and password. I will select as pin password, and guys I will enter password. And guys don't do any mistake, be careful. If you do mistake guys, you will have to erase all data on your device. 1 2 3 4 next. Friends you can see sign in my account. Friends you want to sign your my account, so you can sign, but friends click on not now. And friends you want to sign, so you can sign and you can add your mi account. So I will click on not now. Friends you can see use app lock, click here. So which app friends you want to lock guys, select app. So friends I want to lock my Picard app, Play Store app, Gmail. Friends I will lock file, Netflix friends, and share me app I will lock it. Photos I want to lock, so I will lock. After lock friends you can check when you will on your photos app on your device. Friends you can see your photo app is locked, so enter your password and you can unlock your photo app. And friends you can see file is also locked, so when I will on file, so I have to enter first password, then I can unlock my file. So like that friends we can lock apps on our Poco phone device. And friends you want to unlock app, so by how to unlock apps, click on app setting, friends click on app lock, enter password, cancel. So which app friends you have locked, friends you can check 15 apps I have locked. And guys I will unlock all app except Picard and YouTube app, so I will unlock this all app. So friends you can see after unlock friends, when I will on my photo app, so friends you can check direct friends I can on without any password. But friends when I will on Picard app, so friends you can see I have app lock, so I will have to enter password. After enter password I can unlock Picard app and I can use it. So like that friends we can lock and unlock apps on Poco phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.